Our city can do better.
Our city can do better.
Our city can do better.
So when I think about the city that I want to live in,
I want a community where we care for each other.
People can take care of themselves and their families.
We would have a stronger sense of feeling like healthy and happy.
we're not there yet.
Our community needs paid sick and safe time. Not having paid sick time for me sometimes meant having the difficult choice between taking care of my sick child and having less take-home pay.
Parents send their kids to childcare sick all the time. They have to choose either getting a couple hours of work before they get the phone call saying you need to come pick up your kid versus not being able to get any hours that day.
I work in the service industry. I've handled other people's food for like 8 to 10 years now. I'm the person who shows up for work sick, and I'm sorry, that's true, because I don't get paid if I'm not there. So it's about whether or not you can afford to stay living in the place where you live.
If we want a healthy, strong community, we all have a role in that. Paid sick and safe time has given me the opportunity to invest in my staff in a way that is going to pay me back, to care for my employees, to invest in my employees. That's the right thing to do as an employer, and especially in a service industry, it's the right thing to do for your business.
The community that I want to live in would be one where people are doing well and are feeling well and taking care of themselves. And when we take care of ourselves, we take care of our families and we take care of our community. And then we would all do better.
If the city decided that every worker gets paid sick leave, then it would show how much the people making those rules, that legislation, really cared about the people in their community. If everybody supported this legislation, it would show that people in the community are looking out for each other.
We want to build this area up, and how we do that is we do it together.
You care what's going on in families' homes. You care what obstacles people have in their life. And if it's so easy as paid sick time and you're willing to grant that to families, that says a lot.
I believe that this is possible to offer the sick and safe time. I know that my community can do that. This is the kind of city that we want to build. This is our vision.
Will you join me?